Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of seeing that ranks stick in one place, you are in the right spot. Today we are talking about the fastest ways to rank up in CS2. And I'm going to give you a straightforward guide on how to maximize your XP and get those levels fast. Let's dive right in. The absolute best way to gain XP is by jumping into competitive or premier mode. This is where you'll find the highest returns for your time. Every round you win in these modes gives you a massive 30 times multiplier on your XP, so a dominant performance can give you a huge boost. It is the most intense way to play, but if you got the skill, this is where you'll see your rank shoot up the fastest. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more relaxed or you just want a quick warm-up, deathmatch is an excellent choice. You get a steady stream of XP for every kill you get, and since the matches are short, you can rack up some good experience points in a small amount of time. Plus, it's the perfect place to practice your aim and get those reflexes sharp. And of course, we have the casual mode. This is a great middle ground option. It offers a decent amount of XP, especially if you are smart about it and focus on completing objectives like planting or defusing the bomb. It is a good, low-pressure way to enjoy the game while still making progress on your rank. Now for the really important tips, you absolutely need to take advantage of the 3 times XP bonus that's available at the start of each week. Your first few matches of the week will earn you triple the experience points. So make sure you get in there and play a few games to get that huge boost. And while you are playing, always keep an eye on your missions and challenges. Completing these can give you massive chunks of bonus XP that will make a huge difference in your ranking progress. So there you have it. Focus on competitive for the biggest XP gains, use deathmatch for quick sessions, and always take advantage of those weekly bonuses and missions. Follow these tips and you'll be ranking up in no time. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the server.